Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a very simple single layer chocolate cake. So you don't have to worry about cutting any layers and frosting the whole thing in a beautiful way. It's just going to be a chocolate cake and the frosting. I mean, simple. You mix it all in different pans. You don't need your mixer today. It gets a vacation. So let's get into it. Of course, I was inspired by this song. One single chocolate layer cake, easy to make and to bake. Oh yes, it is. We're just gonna throw it all together. First things first, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Second thing you wanna do is get your square or round cake pan ready to go. Spray it and or put parchment paper down at the bottom. All-purpose flour, sugar, brown sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, salt, mix together, vegetable oil, egg, buttermilk, vanilla. Mix all together for about a minute. Add in your wet ingredients while mixing. Add in your hot coffee. Yes, use coffee, not water, because it's going to add that flavor to the chocolate. Pour into your pan. Into the oven for 28 to 32 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Low heat. Add your whipping cream, confectioner sugar. Wait until this is just shy of a boil. Once it just starts bubbling, take it off the heat. Pour over your chocolate chips. Start stirring so they can get malted. Add vanilla and your butter. Stir until smooth. Let your ganache chill at room temperature for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to stick it in the fridge for another 20 or so it starts to thicken up. Time's up. Let's do the toothpick test. All right, let's check it out there. I checked it once before and it was not ready. Let's see if it's ready now. That's coming out pretty clean. Let's take it out. Let it cool in its pan for about 5-10 minutes. Flip it out, let it cool completely, then we frost it. Cake is nice and cool. I decided to let it cool in the pan itself, so I'm just gonna flip-flop it onto here. Let's see how we do here. Frost your cake. Look at this delicious single layer chocolate cake. You saw how easy this was to make. And if you wanted to adapt yours to add a different extract in, you could certainly do that. You could add chocolate chips into the batter. The possibilities are endless. Nuts if you like. Any way you look at this, it was simple, it was easy, and I think it's going to be delicious. But it's all in the taste, so let's give it a try. The cake itself is super soft and moist, and that chocolate ganache on top is just delicious. This is a great chocolate cake that will please anybody, like everybody. Of course, everybody. Yum! If I can make this a single layer chocolate cake for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've seen any products that I've used on here, check out my Amazon storefront, and also check me out on Instagram and TikTok for a whole lot more.